Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your issuer does not yet offer support for this card. Ask your issuer if they offer cards. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to add your card to your Apple ID but you're facing this type issue or you may see this type of a message on your screen, so let's see how can you fix that. So very first you just have to go back from here and then you have to open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open your general settings here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. If you find anyone, try to disconnect with that, and once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to go back from here, and then you have to go for the language region option. Select region, and you have to try to change your region or country to that region in which Apple Pay is available. So for example, you can use United States or United Kingdom. So I'm going to use United States from here. Select that, then go back, and then you have to close these off, and then you have to open your App Store. Tap on the profile option in the top right corner. Select your account from here. You must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And once you have entered your Apple account password, you will get a this type screen. Now you just have to select the country or region option from here, and you have to try to switch or change your country to the same country you have just selected in your iPhone. So for example, I have selected United States here, so I'm going to select this one from here. Once you have selected, you just have to tap on the continue option, and here select agree in the top right corner. Now you just have to enter these requirements. You have to enter payment method, your card here, then enter your billing address, and then you have to enter your phone number. And once you have entered your phone number, you have to enter your name. And once you have added all of these informations, your issue will be fixed and your card will be successfully added. You just have to tap the turn option in the top right corner, and your card will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily fix the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.